Everybody, I'm here with Benjamin from Renson at the NRA show 2024. Benjamin, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you for asking.
You're welcome. Thanks for being on our show today. Benjamin, tell us a little bit about Renson, if you could.
Yeah, so Renson is a Belgian multinational. We specialize in 3 business units.
Yep.
We do ventilation, outdoor living, and sun protection items. So 3 different business units with all sorts of products within that. The core focus of today being here at the show is to promote our outdoor living business unit.
Okay, outdoor living, pergolas such as we see here.
Yeah, so this is a fully motorized aluminum louvered pergola. I can actually show you what it does. So we have
Let's take
the
a shot here. Is going to do
louvered.
it. Go ahead.
We have the louvered roof here that opens and closes. It does a 150-degree rotation.
Yep.
You can stop it at any time. It's fully watertight.
Yeah.
So I'm stopping the louvers now. And as they are opening up, obviously now we are able to let the sun in or
Yes.
be protected
Yes.
from the elements.
Okay, very good. And so generally speaking, if there wasn't a fan structure there, these would also go.
Correct, yes. We do have another product that allows the louvers not only to rotate but also retract.
Retract, yeah.
But this model right here is actually made in Belgium. We also do have manufacturing locally in Dallas, Texas for other of our products.
Okay, that's very nice. And we have a product over here at the bar. We'd like to see this in action. This is also really nice, yeah?
Yeah, so this is actually another company called Heat Sail. The idea of Heat Sail, it's a Belgian company as well, and the idea is to provide heat, light, and misting.
Okay.
So these are 3 features of the Heat Sail product.
I was actually pointing to this item over here.
This is the screen from Renson.
Okay.
This is also something we offer.
Yes.
So the screen here, it goes all the way down. Obviously now, since we have like a half bar setup, it will go up until the bar. And it's what's nice about it is that the screen is fully recessed in the beam itself, so that it's fully hidden and you don't see that bottom bar.
That's beautiful.
Thank you
Very
very
nice
much.
design. We like that.
And as you're looking at the unit itself,
Yeah.
we have some more accessories. Let me maybe show you the curtains as well we have here. Behind, we have the curtains on the 2 sides.
Yes.
Could be any type of color. We have some glass panels as well, sliding glass, which are on sliding tracks.
Yes.
So we have a bottom track and a top track, which allows the glass to slide. So the idea is really much more than a terrace covering, is to be able to give you that second space,
Yes.
an outdoor room to
Yes.
spend time throughout the different seasons of the year. In this particular model, we also have our Linarte wall, which is a fixed wall with our wall cladding. And in this particular unit, we have a TV installed on it, again to make it look cozy and be able to enjoy some TV time if needed.
So it creates a great indoor-outdoor lounge space, it looks like.
Yes, we
But it-
serve residential, commercial. We've done even airport jobs, the different sky lounges of Atlanta.
Yeah.
So it's been a very hot product the last years.
And I see lighting, and you include this lighting and all of this, yes?
Correct, we have lighting in the roof itself. So let me close the roof again. There we go. Let's see, there we go. So we have lighting, up-down lighting, which could be on either side, on
Yes.
the pivot side, on the span side.
Yes.
So the light facing down is the white light, and the light facing up right now is the RGB. So we have RGB option, red, green, and blue.
Yeah.
And we do also have lights in the louvers, as you're seeing.
Yeah.
So these are also up with
I like that.
like this
Very nice.
is one thing.
In this
Boom.
particular model, there are no column lights, but that is also something we actually offer as well, the column
So a
lights.
lot of ambient lighting and mood setting and very cool loungy environments you put together for people.
Indeed, that's the whole point
Yeah.
of Renson, is really to create a comfortable, cozy outdoor environment.
I
Not
like
only
it.
for restaurants, but also obviously for residences.
Especially in the southern U.S.
Indeed,
It's perfect for there.
indeed.
I spent many years in Tucson, and this would be quite a beautiful fit for that.
Yeah,
And you could put misters in here if you It doesn't just...
If the heat is there, then that's what you want to do.
that's
And
right.
the idea actually of Renson, our slogan is creating healthy spaces.
Yes.
And how do we do that? It's by those 3 business units I mentioned. And ventilation, making sure we have indoor comfortable climates. Outdoor living, to have comfortable outdoor living spaces and temperature where it's controlled.
Yes.
And then sun protection, it's all of our exterior shades, making sure that we block the sun, for example, from hitting the glass, resulting in
Right.
less usage of air conditioning.
Okay. So before we go, let's talk about this. If you get this thing installed here and suddenly, you know, person goes to turn them open and they get stuck halfway, something happens, right?
Yeah.
It breaks down. What kind of service do we have here?
So we work with local partners or
Yeah.
local installers.
Yeah.
So every install is usually near one of our dealers or installers.
Yeah.
So he would be the first
Yeah.
person to come on site and
Yeah.
replace the blade if the blade is damaged.
Yeah.
But we, of course, work alongside our partners. We have local representation here in the US. We're a team of about 30 people. Where we strongly support all of our partners.
Good, good. Because I imagine if something goes wrong with this sort of a protection thing and the rain is coming and all that, they want it fixed right away.
They want it fixed right away.
So,
indeed.
and you guys can...
The whole point of the unit is, of course, to be watertight. So when it rains and it stops raining and we decide to open the blades, there's a whole water integrated drainage system. And so it's the blades that have a minimum pitch, which will guide the water to the main gutter system. From the gutter system, it will lead itself to the column.
There is a pitch, isn't there?
And in the minimal, you can't really see it.
Yeah.
And from the column, it basically gets into a PVC pipe, and then at the bottom of the PVC pipe, we have a spout where the water eventually evacuates.
Yeah.
That's the whole idea of the system.
But perfect though, perfect. So you've got great customer service and to get out there on-site customer service in case something goes wrong with that. So people can close up their shop
Indeed.
when they need to do it.
Customer service is one key element in business.
It's very important.
But in addition to that, I believe where do we really make the difference? It's in our design, quality, sustainability, comfort, and personalization. All the amount of accessories that we have really does make the difference in comparison to any other terrace covering out there.
Yeah, you know, I'm standing in here now and I really get a sense of quality around me. So there you go.
I appreciate that. Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah. Anything else you'd like to add before we go? Or?
Well, this is kind of the season where everyone is thinking of their outdoor living space. I'm happy to be here present today at the restaurant show.
Yeah.
We've been doing much more commercial work over the last years. And I do hope that people see the necessity of outdoor living and want to try to expand that or expand their outdoor spaces with a perfectly looking room.
Right. Benjamin, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
I appreciate it.